Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a quick little grocery haul for you guys. I am 35 weeks and 5 days pregnant, and I feel like this baby's gonna come any minute now, so I wanted to have food in the house for the kids just in case. So let's start. So I bought this roast thing. It was originally $50, 54, and I got it for 31, and that's for Thanksgiving. So whatever I find on sale for Thanksgiving, I'm gonna start to stack up. Then I got cheese for the kids. And then over here I got some ground beef. This was on sale. This is 1 pound. This is 1 pound, and I paid $2.15 for a pound of ground beef. And I got 4 of those. Over here I have my chickens. So I got these 2 pieces on sale. And then I have drumstick and some thighs on there. And then over here I got some I have some Tux medicated cooling pads for my postpartum basket I'm getting ready to put together. This is mandarins for Jackson. He's a snacker. Chicken breasts for the kids. This is some toaster strudels. I love toaster strudels. I got some grapes over here. And then these are really good. I love these. They were on sale. 2 for $3, so I stacked up on them. Over here I have some mozzarella cheese, some rice. This is the yogurt that I'm eating right now. I'm loving it. This one is the strawberry mango, and then I dropped in the tropical flavor. Over here I have snacks for Jackson, and then I found this bad guy at pumpkin spice latte. Ooh, so I'm gonna try that out. And then of course I had to have my eggnog, so I have that. I have some orange juice. This is for my lunch right now. I have some tomato sauce, some Alfredo sauce. This bad guy is just grape jelly. I have some what's that guy? You know, that's the thing the kids love. Black beans, red beans, apples, Parmesan cheese. These were originally $8.99, and they were on sale for $5.99, so I stacked up on those. And it's just the herb chicken tortellini. And then I got a whole bunch of these little seasoning for crock pots. This is my lunch right now. It's just a salad. Jackson's snack. He's a snacker. This bad guy was on sale, so I picked it up. And it's just some, what is this? Beef, something was on sale, so I got it. And then I have some pesto, some peanut butter, more apples. Love this. This is the roast chicken. Ooh, got the kids' bread. This is the only bread that my husband will eat, and it's just that one. And then this is for the kids. And I think that's about it. And this is $209 in total. Oh, and I got some Arizona iced tea, sweet tea, whatever. So that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.